Expressive, versatile, it's literally poetry in motion. I'm Madhupa. My guru, my first guru in fact, Srimati Varnali Mitra Das, has left an indelible mark in my life since I started dancing with her back in my childhood in Kolkata. Today, I try to marry this versatile dance form with a Bengali, very popular Bengali song indeed, Esho He, from the national award-winning movie Agje Chilo Raja, which delves deep into Indian classical raga, Rag Kedar. It's sung beautifully by Shreya Ghoshal and Ishan Mitra, and it's choreographed by me under the guidance of my guru Srimati Mitali. We have tried to blend Odissi here with different dance formats, namely Rabindra Nritya and Manipuri. Ladies and gentlemen, here I present Esho He.
যে পথে সকাল